Hey guys, today we're going to go over your knee pain exercises. So the first exercise we want you to do is simply a straight forward fold. So you're going to bend forward, hinging at your hips. You're going to fold as far as you can go. And you're going to hold this stretch for 30 to 60 seconds. And this is going to help to stretch out the hamstrings and the calf muscles, which are all part of the knee complex. You're going to hold that for 30 to 60 seconds. You're going to repeat that 3 times, and that's going to help to unlock and loosen up those muscles. The next stretch we're going to do is a seated figure 4 stretch. So you're going to sit in a seat and you're going to keep your feet flat on the floor. You're going to take, for example, your left leg. You're going to put it over the right thigh so that your knee is at 90 degrees. And what I want you to do is hinge at your hips. So you're not going to round your back, but with a straight back, you're going to start to hinge forward. You can push your left knee down to increase the stretch and make sure that you're at a good 90-degree angle. And then you're going to hinge forward, and that's going to help to loosen up the hip muscles. You're going to hold that here up to 30 seconds and back up. And then you're going to repeat that 3 times. Once you've done 3 times on this side, you're going to change and you're going to do the opposite side. So again, keeping your knee at 90, foot on the opposite thigh, hinging forward, bending, putting counter pressure onto this knee. After that, the next one you're going to do is the hip flexor stretch. So you're going to have something in front of you to help support you. You're going to take a step forward, let's say with your right foot. Your left foot is going to go onto the chair, and you're going to bend your knees so that you're getting a nice stretch in through the psoas or hip flexor muscle. And you're going to hold on to this same thing. You're going to hold on for support for about 30 seconds. And then when you can take your foot down. You're going to repeat that on the next foot. Next thing we're going to do is a calf stretch. So you're going to come to a wall. You're basically going to have, let's say, the right foot in front of you. The left foot's going to be back. You're going to push the wall so that your arms are straight. So you're going to be as far away from the wall so that your arms can be straight. When you do that, you're going to feel a stretch for me in my left leg, the leg that's straight behind me. And you're going to hold this again for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, you're going to come to here. You're going to go to the opposite foot, bring it back, keep your arms straight, push into the wall. So as soon as I push into the wall, I feel that stretch in my calf muscle. Same thing, you're going to hold it for 30 seconds. The final stretch we're going to do is a reclined hip stretch. So you're going to come to a comfortable position on a mat or on the floor. You're going to lie with your legs straight out. For example, we're going to use our left leg. So we're going to bring our left hip and knee up. So our knee's at 90 degrees. I'm going to slowly let that roll over to the right side of my body so I can let my foot drop to the ground as best as I can. You can hold on to this knee with your right hand, and then I'm going to take the opposite arm and I'm going to stretch it towards the left side while the left knee is coming to the right. So I'm getting not only a spinal twist, but I'm also getting a hip stretch in through here. Same thing, we're going to hold it for 30 seconds, and then we're going to slowly bring ourselves back to the middle. And then you can turn, keep your legs straight, bring the right leg up, let it fall to the opposite side, and let your right arm stretch the other way. Same thing, we're going to hold for 30 seconds. And then we're going to slowly come out of that. There we go. And we're done our knee exercises.